Hi loves, I hope you all are fine. Okay, so today's tutorial is on how to crochet a half granny square. Sit tight and enjoy the video. So guys, I'm using this orange color yarn for this project. It is an acrylic fiber and also a 2.5 mm hook. So let's go straight to it. We're going to start by making a slip knot. Okay, so once you are done with your slip knot, we're gonna chain up 4, and that is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you're gonna skip 3 chains from the hook. That is 1, 2, 3, and go over to the 4th chain, which is the last one, and you're gonna make a slip stitch right there, just like this. So now we have a circle. The next thing to do is to make some chains again. Okay, so we're gonna chain 1, 2, 3, and 4. So here we have our 4 chains. It counts as 1 double crochet, chain 1. Now going to that circle again and make 3 double crochet. This is the first. I'm gonna remove this. Okay, so let's go back to it, and the second double crochet and the third. Okay, so after this you're gonna chain up 2, 1 and 2, go into the circle again and make 3 double crochet. That is 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so the next thing to do is to chain 1 and make 1 double crochet in that same circle. And with this we've come to the end of the first row. For the second row we are going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, which counts as 1 double crochet, chain 1, turn around and go into that space and make 3 double crochet. This is 1, 2 and 3. After your 3 double crochet you're gonna chain 1, skip the 3 double crochet and go over to the chain 2 space and make 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. After that you're gonna chain 2, then go into that same space and make 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Then you chain 1, then skip the 3 double crochet and go over to the chain 1 space, and you're gonna make 3 double crochet in that space. That is 1, 2 and 3. Now you're gonna chain 1 and locate the 3rd chain and make 1 double crochet there. But if it is difficult for you, please just make it in the same space that you made the 3 double crochet. Okay, so 1 double crochet, and that is all. Okay, so this is the end of the second row. Now for the 3rd row we are gonna make 4 chains, and that counts as 1 double crochet, chain 1, turn and make 3 double crochet in that space. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, then you make 1 chain. Now skip the 3 double crochet and go over to the chain 1 space and make 3 double crochet. That is 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so after this you chain one, skip the 3 double crochet, go over to the chain 2 space and make 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3. Now you're gonna chain 2 and make 3 double crochet in that same space, 1, 2 and 3. Chain 1, skip the 3 double crochet, go over to the chain 1 space, make 3 double crochet in there, and after that you gonna chain 1 and skip the 3 double crochet, go over to the chain 1 space, make 3 double crochet, that is 1, 2 and 3. Now you're gonna chain 1 and locate the third chain and make 1 double crochet in there. Okay, so we've come to the end of the third row and also the end of today's tutorial. You can keep repeating the process to get to the size that you want. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you've not subscribed. So I'd like to hear your thoughts, so share your thoughts with me on the comment section down below. Thank you. See you next time. Bye. Mwah.